Wow, what's this? Guys, massive shout out to LLL Parts, man. They have been so good to me. We're gonna get this build up and cracking. That's that little one on the bottom. OEM. OEM. Yeah. What else is in the box, man? Come on. Who's the daddy?
Me.
Who's the daddy?
Hello, Dad.
Guys, I get stuff sorted, man. Anytime my kill thinks he doesn't need me around, innit?
Everything OM. Yeah.
But that's not all. There's still more, man. Keep going. Wow.
This is AC.
AC right there? Oh, lovely. Yeah. Main water rod?
On the VAG company, you know?
Yeah.
On the factory. Inside there is the biggest factory from salami.
Salami?
It's inside, I swear to God.
In the actual place where they make cars?
They make salami only for the stuff, but it's the biggest in the world.
I didn't know that.
I swear to
Guys, did you know that? How long did you live in Germany, Akil?
I lived like for 2 years.
2 years in Germany?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. So they make their own salami for the staff?
Only for the stuff. It's the biggest factory in the world.
No way.
I swear down.
Guys, have a look at, trust me, this is well over 2 grand worth of stuff. All OEM stuff. If you need anything, go check out LLL Parts. Use discount code SN10. You'll get 10% off your order. I've been running that for ages to help you guys. And yeah, once again, thank you to LLL Parts.
This is my one.
Yeah. The big bazooka, yeah? Crazy. Crazy. OEM again, Audi. Now that we've got all of those bits, we need to make further orders. We need to change this pulley. And I need to get the auxiliary belt. So we're gonna make a phone call to our parts suppliers, try to get that done. And then we're gonna be bolting up all the rads and hopefully get some coolant into the system and actually give this car a nice little run-in.
AC belt.
Okay, drive belt, I've done that. Anything else?
AC belt.
AC, that's, I've only got one belt, but alternator.
Only alternator, no AC, yeah?
No, bro.
Okay, can you check them on the alternator belt? They got 2 other pulley. One is tensioner pulley and the other pulley, plastic one, without peaky, flat one.
A few inches later.
So guys, we set all of these parts to the side because this guy here went ahead, yes, you. Yeah, you. Don't worry. It's all good. We went ahead and we ordered the auxiliary belt and the replacement pulley that we needed. So Akil's just doing a little test fit. Test fit or actual fit?
No, this is right fit now.
Yeah?
That's the AC belt we're missing.
Yeah.
And now till Monday we can't find out that one.
Okay.
But first we're gonna put this one. The car you can drive in, run in, you know. Fit
But
all
then are you going to be able to
radiators.
access the AC belt?
Oh, we can get access from underneath, I think.
Okay.
But first let's do some tribal. You have to leave this engine running and make
just
sure
let it,
everything.
So yeah guys, like I said, the whole point of this video, we want to get the coolant in the engine, get it running. The engine's not been running for over a year now, so auxiliary belt, pulley's been changed, off you go.
Well done, son. One Romanian goal, one other no. I was going home.
Alright guys, first a lot of water has gone in, boosters connected, let it rip.
Ready.
Driver's ready, we're getting center pod like this. So yeah, obviously we're using water just to test for leaks and let it warm up. Woo! Alternators working, 14. The bleeder valve, so we're going to bleed it through. Open it up and hopefully that should bleed out all the air. Once we see water coming out there, then we can close it off. So guys, we're looking for the bleeder valve because we've topped it up, but it's not going down. Have a look at that. It's still at the top. It's completely empty, so that should be sucking down all that water and it's not. Finally?
Hey?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So that's gone from here all the way through the engine. It's coming out at this bleeder valve here. We still need to start it so that it can come out from all the auxiliary rads, etc, etc. We've just got to fill it up. Start it up, bro. Yeah, look. Lots of air. There it goes. Finally. Part number is 8W0
Yeah?
959
Yeah.
455L. It should come up as a fan, a single fan.
Retail £604.70 plus the VAT.
Brother, you're gonna give me a heart attack. £600 for a single fan.
Plus the VAT, bro. You forgot the VAT.
My man said plus the VAT.
I was going for that belt, forget this.
Okay, listen, forget that one. Forget that one. Forget that. Can I have the AC belt, please? You have to make sure that I'm seated for them kind of prices there, bro.
Well, this one, it's nice. This one's £27.60. All
Yeah.
in.
Yeah, that's easy. Yeah, send that down as soon as possible,
Yeah.
please. Guys, £600 plus the VAT.
I was thinking you're gonna forget VAT.
Yeah, not happening.
60 more.
Not happening. Guys, if anyone's got a fan like this, I'm not paying £600 for a
Well,
single
when you use
fan.
one fun VW Mach 4 for fuck's sake.
Yeah, we'll sort something out on that one. It's not gonna happen. But anyway, we've just ordered the second auxiliary belt for the AC pump. We've gone ahead and we fitted all of these brand new shiny rads, and it took a long time, but we finally got all the air bled out of the engine. It was completely stock dry, so it wasn't taking the water. So we had to bleed it through. It bled through. It's all good. So now we move on. So guys, we're paying £600. Have a look. That's why I need an Akil. Look. So the fan itself is working. It's actually fine. The fan itself is fine. It's just was slightly bent, so we're gonna fix all of that. We're gonna reinforce it with some screws, get it back inside, and hopefully it works. Let's see.
Fingers crossed.
Nothing beats a fail but a try. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. My friend used to say that all the time. Nothing beats a fail but a try. And we're trying. Let's go.
You lose nothing.
Exactly.
One force is in the pocket.
Exactly. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, we haven't lost anything. We've already lost the fan already, so why not? Alright guys, so there you have it. I just want to show you this. Everything on the front has been buckled down. The rads have been bled, as you saw. I went ahead just now, connected the AC pipes. I've done a test fit on this light, but have a look at this. If you remember what this wing looked like, we've done a check. The wing for this car is like 900 to £1,000 because this performance wing is weight saving, aluminium, and Akil did a really good job. Panel beating this wing back out. And I know it looks a bit rough on the surface, but we still got to bodywork it, get it into paint, etc, etc. That's going to look as good as new by the time it's all done, and we're really happy about that. But this is where we're going to wrap up this episode. There's not a lot left to do. We're waiting for some more parts in the post, front bumper, bonnet, and some other bits and bobs. And yeah, once we get those in, then we can wrap up everything. So guys, there you have it. I want to give a special thank you once again to our sponsors of today's video, LLL Parts. Don't forget, if you need anything for your VAG group, BMW, Mercedes, vehicle, project, whatever you're doing, give LLL Parts a look. And if you use SN10 as a discount code, you'll receive 10% off your final order. This is where we're going to end this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. And like I always say, keep it moving. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.